Krenuo je u pravu stranu izraelski vratar, ali je to bila izuzetno jaka, precizna lopta i to se nije moglo dostići. Kranjčar postiže svoj 11. pogodak za reprezentaciju. Zadnji puta je bio strelac u onoj posljednjoj utakmici kvalifikacija u listopadu. Stiže tu Čorluka, Olić. Ima slobodnog Rakitića. Ulazi u sredinu i Kranjčar, Modrić, Kranjčar i Kranjčar! Kranjčar 2:0, to je akcija, to je pogodak koji želimo vidjeti od Hrvatske. Krasno proigravanje, podvaljivanje i Niko Kranjčar, vjerujem sada smiruje Izraelce i ovu njihovu agresiju i želju da u prvom dijelu zabiju pogodak našoj reprezentaciji. Kranjčar nije u zaleđu jer vidite tu bijeloga Izraelca tamo koji je zasmao Elroja Cohena i sjajno desnom nogom Marka Latnjak, pa onda fantastično pogođeno lijevom u drugi kut, a Uarte također prevaren i pogledajmo tu kombinaciju. Rakitić, Modrić, Kranjčar, Hrvatska vodi 2:0. Jesu li ovo dani obitelji Kranjčar? Cico je sino...
Kažem volim te i sada potrete. Neke ljubavi su vječne, zato molim te. Ko one godine do pobjede nas vodite. Srce vatreno u grudima ko molitve. Sada kuca jače i ko da vrijeme staće. Kada vodimo pa bodrimo te napadače. Minute puno znače, a samo nebo daće ono što nam treba pa da poslije skupo.
He knew that a win here would send his side back to the top of Group F, and it was the man who led from the front in Croatia's 2-1 win in Israel that did it again here. Niko Kranjčar taking advantage of a defensive error and slamming home on 18 minutes. Terrific finish that gave the Maltese goalkeeper Andrew Hogg little keeper beaten but not the post. And then Croatia just before half-time managed to break down Malta's resistance once again. Eduardo in space and Kranjčar, excellent first touch, fine second, slight deflection of Jonathan Caruana, the Maltese defender. But they went into half-time at 2-0 and it was definitely Kranjčar's goal. 4 goals for him in qualifying now. He has been their key man thus far.
This ball in, it's a good one!
Courtois with a save to deny Kalinic, and then the ball whacked in by Crenshaw. What a finish! It's a brilliant goal for the substitute Nico Crenshaw. And finally, at long last, Croatia found a way through. Lovely ball in by Vida. Courtois made the first save from Kalinic, and how well Crenshaw controlled the half volley. That was not an easy skill. A weak ball, but he watched it drop out of the night air and bang! Courtois didn't sniff it. Croatia 1, Belgium 2. They couldn't, could they?